Hello, what's up guys? In this video I'll show you how to add GIF on TikTok video. So open up your TikTok application and you have to upload any kind of video. So there are lots of way to put like GIF on TikTok. So if you want to simply just upload any kind of GIF, that there is any other way, there will be any other video on this topic. So I'm just not going into that. But if you want to add GIF on your TikTok video, like let's suppose this is a video, alright, so you can see I'm just selecting any kind of video and I'm just going to click on next, and here you can see the video is being processed. So this might take some time to complete the process. So it's almost done. Now what you have to do, click on next or tap on next, and here you can see you need to tap on stickers, and here you can see search for GIFs. So tap on that and search for your desired GIF which you want to add on your TikTok video. So I'm just searching for hungry. Let's suppose I'm hungry, and you should search some relatable to that video, or you can just choose whatever you want or whatever you like. So now you can see I'm just selecting this GIF which is hungry, you can see, and you can see that animation or that GIF file. So that's how you can add GIF file on your TikTok video, and now simply you can post that video. In this way you can just do the task. So that was all for today. Hope you like this video. If you have any kind of question regarding this video, feel free to ask in the comment section below. I'll see you in the next video. Until then, stay tuned with 5-minute solution.